knew this was gonna be a bad idea. You may have heard of beauty product empties, but because cleaning is my therapy and testing products is now my full-time job, I'm going to show you all of the cleaning products I've used up in the last month and a half and tell you which ones are absolutely chef's kiss and which ones are just not worth your money. Now, without wasting any time, I'm going to go in right away with my absolute favorite glass cleaner, which is the Spray Way glass cleaner. This is the best streak-free formula that is out there on the market. It comes out of the bottle as a white foam onto your glass surfaces and it wipes off like a dream. I love to pair this solution with a dry Ocedar mop head on really tall windows or glass doors, and it does such a great job. Now, I cannot take credit for finding this out, but someone on TikTok posted that they were recently at an Airbnb and all of their laundry smelled absolutely amazing, and when they went to check out their laundry cabinet, these 4 products was what they found. After using this myself for an entire month and a half, I can tell you my sheets, my towels, my clothing has never smelled better. This particular fragrance blend uses the Gain, specifically Moonlight Breeze detergent, followed by the Downy Light Ocean Mist scent beads, then the Downy Mist Rinse and Refresh Ocean Mist fabric rinse, and then when you wash your clothes, after you wash them, when you put them in the dryer, you use the Gain Moonlight Breeze dryer sheet. If you are sensitive to scent, however, I would use very small amounts of the Downy beads as well as the fabric rinse. I think all 4 of these products on their own are absolutely fantastic, but when you mix them together, they are just amazing. These next products I'm going to mention are all from the Dollar Tree and fantastic. This cleaning paste from the Dollar Tree is an exact dupe for the pink stuff at a tiny fraction of the cost. I have got so many stains out with this cleaning paste right here. I've used it on my dining tables, I've used it on my tile countertops, I've used it to get rid of gunk and mildew in the shower. This stuff is absolutely incredible, and for $1.25, I already have 2 on backup in my cleaning cart. Now, I do want to mention this Dollar Tree product right here that I would not recommend and I will not be repurchasing. This is the LA's Totally Awesome oxygen-based cleaner. So this is the OxiClean dupe from the Dollar Tree. I've used this up, and to be honest, I cannot say that I saw much of a difference with this. However, what I would not pass up from the dollar store, also from LA's Totally Awesome, is this degreaser. This entire bottle of degreasing solution was $1.25 from Dollar Tree, and I've already repurchased 3 of these. Now, you may ask, why on earth would you need so much degreaser? Let me tell you, as I've been cleaning and reviewing products, I have noticed that a degreasing solution is so not well known for all the benefits that it can bring. I use this in my laundry to degrease sheets, towels, get rid of weird like mildew, body odors, body grease, sweat stains. This is fantastic in the showers. This is fantastic in the kitchen. Pretty much everywhere you can use this. I put this in a spray bottle and I just go to town with it. They don't always carry this at the Dollar Tree, but when I see it, I pick up at least 2 or 3. Now, for another laundry item from the Dollar Tree, this is just Chloralin Bleach for $1.25. I'm not sure if this is necessarily the best deal, but I love that it comes in a smaller bottle. It's just handy to have for $1.25. I also love that it comes in different scents. All around, just a great product. This product from the Dollar Tree, I am really hesitant to share because I think it's so good that I don't want other people to discover it and for me to never be able to find it. This is a Suavitel Complete Fabric Softener, specifically in the Floral Burst. Now, they do carry other scents, but this one right here is my absolute favorite. If I'm not using the Gain combination with Downy, I'm using this. It just smells fresh, clean, floral, but not grandma floral, just very light, refreshing. I would honestly wear this as like a body lotion. Next time you're at the Dollar Tree, pick it up, but save me some as well. Now moving on to a product that I really have mixed feelings about. These are the Ocedar Floor Cleaning Enzyme Packs. And although I do like them, and the fact that they do a really nice job deep cleaning my floors, I think for what they are, the price is expensive. A pack of 10 cleaning packs will run you about $10, which means you're paying about $1 per time that you're mopping the floor, which in comparison to other cleaning products, I think is quite expensive. I only use these if I have to do a really deep clean of my entire floor, or if there's been a spill, if it's been a really busy week, or we've had a lot of people in our home walking around. That's when I'll pull pulled these out. I'm not really sure if I would be repurchasing these. If you want an all-purpose, get it all done, smells amazing, and gets grime out, this right here, this was a happy accident find at the store. I picked up this Mr. Clean, specifically Fresh with Unstoppables all-purpose cleaner, and my house has never smelled as good as when I use this cleaner. I put this in a glass spray bottle and I dilute it with a little bit of water, and then I use this all over my kitchen sink, my kitchen counters, my bathrooms, my floors. I put this into my Ocedar bucket mop when I'm mopping, and everything smells amazing. I also clean my vacuum parts with this and the filters as well, so that when I use my vacuum, this is what it smells like. With that being said, I do want to mention this one from Mr. Clean. When I ran out of this one, I went and I picked this one up, and although it's not empty, I have to say this smells, if not equal as good as this, better, because this smells like fresh laundry. It smells like summer breeze. There's just, I don't know what Mr. Clean did, but they must have heard the people when they said that they love the smell of fresh laundry, because now every time I mop my floors, every time I even vacuum, every time I clean my bathrooms, my kitchen, it smells so good. I was super hesitant to get on the Scrub Daddy train, but when I tried it, I have to say I have not gone back to another sponge. All I do is I just color code my sponges to make sure that I'm not using bathroom sponges in the kitchen and vice versa. I love that it's super rough and textured when it's dry, so I can use it dry on areas that need some extra scrubbing. But when you get it wet, it transforms into this soft, pillowy material that ends up sudsing really well, and whenever I put on any kind of cleaning solution, it bubbles up, foams up really well, and does a fantastic job cleaning. Okay, now when it comes to doing the dirtiest job in the house, you know, cleaning toilets, this system right here is my absolute favorite. I used to use a traditional toilet brush for the longest time, and when I switched over to this system, I love it because I don't have any of the nasty brushes laying around. I will literally clean once every other day because it leaves such a fresh smell and a cleanliness to the toilet, and I just toss the little sponge into the trash, and they're fairly inexpensive. I also love that at any point, if the handle gets dirty, grimy, broken, I can just replace it with another one and it's not a big deal. I will say, however, if you want a deep scrub of the toilet, like if your toilet has stains that you need a pumice stone for, this is not going to be your tool of choice. This is a maintenance clean type product. This is, once your toilet is nice and clean, this is how you maintain it. And last but not least, this honorable mention right here, although it is not a cleaning product, it does keep your house clean of flies. These inexpensive little fly traps from Amazon right here are the absolute best. You put them on any glass door, window, walls, wherever you want, and the flies, they just fly onto them, they get stuck, and they work so well. And when you're done, or you don't want those unsightly dead flies staring at you, you just peel the sticker off and you throw it away, replace it with a clean one, and you're good to go. I lied, that was not the last one. This nasty bad boy right here is the last one. But I discovered this 6-foot pole extendable one. Ew, I'm getting dust everywhere. And I'm absolutely loving this because this is able to get up into my ceiling fan on my 12-foot ceilings. It has been an absolute game changer. It's great for vents. Well, that was it. Let me know which one of these products is your current favorite, if you're using any, and let me know if you have any new product recommendations that you would like for me to try. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.